What are the biggest mistakes immigrants make during immigration application or interviews?
Biggest mistake. All right. So when we start working on some application or petition, it opens the window between you and the immigration office, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
the thing I always stress on is that is the most complicated and difficult part. What happens is that we think that, oh, it's just a form, or, it's just an application. We can fill it up ourselves. We do not pay attention on each and every point, which is based on some kind of immigration rules and regulations, and which is in the CFR and which is in the INA. These are the federal registry books on which we attorneys follow when we work on these petitions. So one single no or yes can make your application complicated for you, or can lead to a denial or an intent to deny or an RFE, which is the request for evidence. Nowadays they are making it harder in a way that if there is any mistakes on the petition, they may not give you even a chance to make the correction. And they said, no, we are denying the application. No, you go to the appeal system or whatever, but we are not giving you the chance to make that correction. So it is very important. The most important thing is when you open that door, you don't make mistakes. Go to competent attorneys, go to the immigration attorneys who know what they are doing, and they can help you in these matters, because they are no more becoming easier for you. Second, in front of the officer, when you go in front of the officer, I always say to my clients that when you go in front of the officer, always know that he always knows about the questions and answers what he is asking you. Your application is in front of him. He has done the background check on on you. He knows the background. So sometimes when they are asking you during the interview, when they are asking you some questions, they already know the answer to them. So being truthful or giving them the correct answer is the best criteria to follow.